Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Medusa's makeup May box and I'm wearing everything makeup wise on my face. And further ado, let's go in. All the info will be on my blog, which I will link down below how you can get it. And this box is vegan and cruelty free. It's coming from the US. So you get always the card, and this month's box value is $41.09, almost 42. It's $41.95. So let's start with the skincare. I got their toner with the grapefruit astringent, and also it's paraben free. I love grapefruit, so I can't wait to give it a try, and I will definitely do a review on it on my blog, so you can see how I got along. Would I recommend to buy it or not? Then altogether in this box was 4 items, and the rest is a makeup. Now, first one is the lip color. I'm wearing it on my lips. It's the Metallic Stay On Lip Gloss. It's cruelty free. It contains 6 milliliters of product. And the color, as you can see, is very pigmented. It's more liquid lipstick, I would say, because it dries down matte, then, well, like it's metallic, so, but it dries down, it's long lasting. I swatched it, so the swatch didn't come off when I first got it, but this is how it looks. I love the packaging. Their packaging is so nice. The color is beautiful. Now, I wouldn't wear it on its own like this. I think it's a bit too much. On the pictures and film it would look beautiful, like in the viewfinder. I do like how it looks from far away, but I think it's a bit too drying, and I think in the middle of the lip, paired with like a little bit darker lip liner, and then you blend it in, it would look nicer. I already know how I want to wear it. And yes, and this retails for $11, and the grapefruit toner is $12.95. Now, the next is, I think, one of my favorite items, and this is what I'm wearing all over the lid. This is their eye dust, and it looks like this, so pretty, and it's the shade Pretty in Pink, and it retails for $8. And I don't know, it's like this look. I love this look. It's so gluey and summery, and I really do love this eye dust. I wanted to try them. I have been eyeing them on their page, and I really wanted to try this. And the last item retails for $10, and it's a cosmetic highlighter. Now, I'm wearing it on my cheekbones today. I like it, and also in the inner corner. I do like it, but now this contains glitter, so I wasn't sure if I will like it or not. But I mean, for summer, I don't mind a bit glitter on my cheekbones, and especially if you go like festivals or something like that, it would look really pretty. It contains 3 grams of product. I think it's a lot, and it looks super beautiful, and I love it on my inner corners as well. I feel like it makes my eyes really big. So that's it for this this unboxing. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I will all the info, like I said, will be up on my blog, and yeah, that's it. If you wanna see the reviews on them, I will bring them out as I go, so keep an eye on my blog. But other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.